In this video, you'll learn how to invest in retail centers with a self-directed IRA. Retail centers have long been staples of the commercial real estate market, offering a range of investment opportunities from local shopping centers to expansive malls. Investing in commercial real estate, such as retail centers, with a self-directed IRA offers several compelling benefits. First, the tax advantages can be very attractive, whether you're using a self-directed traditional IRA or a self-directed Roth IRA. In a self-directed traditional IRA, your investments can grow tax-deferred. In a self-directed Roth IRA, they can grow tax-free. Additionally, a self-directed IRA offers greater control over your investments by allowing you to invest in alternative assets. Alternative assets can lead to a more balanced and diversified retirement portfolio. While investing in retail centers with a self-directed IRA offers notable benefits, there are also important considerations to keep in mind. Understanding the local market is crucial, and retail properties often require active management to be successful. The first step is to set up your self-directed IRA with Madison Trust by filling out our simple application. You might also consider upgrading your self-directed IRA to a checkbook IRA with our sister company, Broad Financial. A checkbook IRA lets you manage your everyday investment transactions directly through a dedicated checking account and entity tied to your IRA. Once your account is opened and funded, you can go through your decided process of selecting, purchasing, and managing your property. Ready to get started? Call us today. Like, comment, or subscribe for more videos. Experience exceptional service for your exciting investment opportunities at Madison Trust.